Central Nelson County, Central LaRue County, Northwestern Marion County, until 6 p.m. At 5:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles east of Hodgenville, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of south central Nelson, central LaRue, and northwestern Marion counties, including the following locations: Loretto, St. Francis, Berg Spring, Holy Cross, Gethsemane, Howardstown, Grant, Merrings, Louisville, and Gandertown. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following county: Marion, Kentucky. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6 p.m. or 5 p.m. National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern LaRue County, Marion County, northern Taylor County until 6:30 p.m. At 5:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles northwest of Campbellsville, moving east at 50 miles per hour.
Sorry guys, I'm laying on my bed.
Per hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Campbellsville around 6:05 p.m. Lebanon around 6:15 p.m. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky, Marion, and Taylor. The state National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Greene County, south central Marion County, southeastern Hart County, central Taylor County until 6:30
Bet
p.m.
my grandma's
or
weather
5:30
radio
p.m.
is going
Central
off.
Standard Time.
Even my Aunt
At
Molly's weather
5:58
radio is going
p.m.
off.
or
And
4:58 p.m. Central Standard
probably
Time,
my
severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles
Trinidad
northwest
is
of
going off
Campbellsville
too.
to 6 miles south of Munfordville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Campbellsville around 6:10 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Greensburg. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, or 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky, Greene, Marion, and Taylor. The statement is